The intention for this video is just to cover the people and the fleet buttons that appear on a lot of the panels and stuff within Pitram. So we have these on most panels. You'll be able to find a person and a truck icon, and if you select, say, the person icon, you'll get a little pop-up isolated to that panel, so only showing you the data within that particular panel that will just show you the people that are currently allocated within there. You've also got the location that they're working at, the equipment they're assigned to, and their current role. So in this case, operator, but potentially you could find trainees, supervisors, stuff like that in here. You can actually filter these as well. So if you were looking for a particular operator, maybe someone asks you where somebody is, comes into the control room needing to know where a given person is, you could bring up like an all equipment panel like this and potentially sort the list alphabetically, the opposite of alphabetically, find the person, say, all right, he's at pit 1, etc. Yeah, we've also got the fleet status window, which is this little truck icon. And basically what this lets us do is assign a fleet status, which is a status that will cover the entire selection of equipment within this panel. So for example, the most common one of these is going to be shift change. So if I set this fleet status to shift change, every single piece of equipment that's ticked in this panel, which because it's an all equipment panel will be everything, I could set the fleet status, which would be the status for all of these pieces of equipment at the exact same time. Now I don't want to do that because it's only 3 p.m. So just for the sake of an example, I'm going to set DT04, 3, and 2 to shift change. So these 3 that I'm mousing over now will have their status changed in bulk. And this is a much faster way of still manually, but managing your status changes whenever some big event happens. So normally it's shift change, but hypothetically, I mean, it could be an emergency as well, or weather warnings or something along those lines where everything has to grind to a halt. And rather than flicking through your panels one at a time, going accident or emergency or shift change, you can just do it all in one big hit. It's very convenient. Thanks.